Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel, where we help you pronounce tricky words and brand names the right way. Today we're tackling a word that's popular in many homes around the world, IKEA. Do you know how to say it correctly? A lot of people say IKEA or IKEA. Have you heard it pronounced like that? But that's not quite right. Let's get it straight. The correct way to say it is IKEA. That's 3 syllables. I-E, like the letter I, key, like key, like the A sound in sofa. Here's a little trick. Focus on making the first syllable sound like the letter I, and make sure to say key-a smoothly afterward. Now it's your turn. Let's say it together. IKEA, IKEA, IKEA. Try repeating it a few times, first slowly, then faster. You've got it. Fun fact, did you know that IKEA's name is derived from the founder's initials, Ingvar Kamprad, along with the first letters of his childhood farm and village, Elmteryd and Agunnaryd, in Sweden? So it's not just a brand, it's a piece of Swedish history. Now that you know how to pronounce IKEA like a pro, try it out next time you talk about their amazing furniture. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment with your favorite IKEA item, and subscribe for more pronunciation tips. See you next time.